Rohan and Alec, you can feel the power in your hands, is it? Yeah, oh, wonderful. Even he's a healer then. Alec is a healer. Okay. Okay. To say to Mother Earth, yeah?
Sorry, please forgive me. I thank you.
I love you.
And I love you.
Okay, say 3 times. I am sorry.
I am sorry.
Look at the hole. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you.
I thank you.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
Please forgive me.
Forgive me.
I love you.
You.
I thank you.
Sorry.
Okay.
Shanti.
Put your hands there. You put it down.
Om Shanti.
No, hold it and put it down. Go on. Okay? Yeah. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Just move. Okay. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Very good. You're doing very well. Put the soil back as much as you can. Shanti,
Om Shanti. Shanti.
Shanti,
Om Shanti.
Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. Oh, it's facing behind. Is there any way to turn it around? On video. Okay. Om. Okay, don't wash your hands. Bas. That's it. Okay, thank you. And now they bless the tree. You can continue. Would you like to bless as well? You bless. What would you like to bless the tree with? Say loudly.
I bless you that you get beautiful, strong, and tall, and that you produce lots of oxygen.
And be a home for
Many living creatures.
creatures that need you. Okay, now let's say the last mantra. Come on, bless. Raksha,
Raksha,
Rakshati,
Rakshati,
Rakshitaha.
Rakshita,
Raksha,
Raksha,
Rakshati,
Rakshati,
Rakshitaha.
Rakshita,
Raksha, Rakshati, Rakshitaha. Finished. Okay, now we go to the other one. And it is Alex's turn to do it. Flower, let him pick up a nice flower. Okay. Alright. Come on, Alec, it's your turn. Alec is planting a frangipani. Just say that. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. So, Alec, you ready? Just bring the other stool also and the water if you can bring. Or Wilson, bring the other stool and water. Yeah. Okay. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Loudly.
Om Shanti, Shanti,
Make eyes straight. Om Shanti. You can do it. Pin right. So we want to see the flower.
Shanti,
Yeah,
Shanti, Shanti.
Yeah. Om Shanti, Shanti. It's okay. Om Shanti, Shanti. Very good. Okay, thank you. And now we will put the water. Okay? Yeah. You also stand there. No, on top. Try as far as high up as possible. Yeah. Chunga flower, Vana. Okay? Yeah. Not on the flower, on the plant. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. It's enough water now. Okay? Okay. Now come. And now what would you like to bless the plant with? You bless. Okay?
I bless that the plant will grow tall, strong, and that many insects will have homes there. And I bless that this plant will give oxygen and recycle the carbon dioxide.
Very nice. Okay, stay there because we're going to plant. Come on. We're going to bless the last blessing. Come on. Yeah. Stay there. Okay. Because Masa can take out from the top, right? Okay. So say the last mantra. Come on. Raksha.
Rakshati, Rakshitaha.
Very good.
Raksha, Rakshati, Rakshitaha. Raksha, Rakshati, Rakshitaha.
Who remembers what this mantra means? Who remembers?
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I protect the plant. It protects me.
Yes. I look after the plant and it looks after me. I give to the tree and it gives to me. Isn't it? Correct? Okay, thank you very much, Chris. Now you thank Chris because he dug the holes for you. Okay, you thank Wilson because he helped you. And you'll thank Wilson even more because he's going to come and look after the trees when you're
Thank
not
you
here.
for looking after our trees,
Yeah.
Wilson.
Stand, take this. Okay. You can wash your hands now if you want. Okay. Little far, Bana, because this tree doesn't need that much water. Okay, that's it. We are done with the tree planting. You want them to grow tall, strong, healthy, happy, yeah? Okay. Giving them Reiki. Yeah. When it's finished, move to the next one, okay? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. And Rohan, you can do this one because Alec has done that one. You can do this one. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, okay? Yeah. Okay. And then we go to the new place to plant the 2 new trees. Okay? Wonderful. Yeah. You can come here, Alec. You can come and bless this one. Just bless with Reiki. And then we go up down. That's it. You're blessing all your plants. Okay? You feel, Alec, you feel the Reiki going? Wonderful. All right. Move to the next one when it's finished, okay? Yeah, yeah. And one there. Okay. Sit. This one is taking a lot, Rohan, yeah? Okay, go there.